Hey everyone, welcome to my health blog tips. Today, we're tackling sinus infections, how you can get rid of them in 24 hours. Sinus congestion, headaches, and pressure can ruin your day, but we've got simple remedies and tips to fix it fast. We'll cover what sinus infections are, how to treat them at home, and when to seek medical help. Let's dive in. So if you're struggling with sinusitis, stick around for tips that really work. A sinus infection happens when the tissue lining your sinuses gets inflamed, usually from a virus or bacteria. It often feels like a really bad cold with added facial pain and pressure around your nose, eyes, or forehead. Sinus infections can make it hard to breathe, cause headaches, and even give you a stuffy or runny nose. You might also notice thick mucus buildup, which can turn from clear to yellow or green. Now that you know what it is, let's see how long these symptoms stick around. Most sinus infections last about 7-10 days, but with the right treatment, you can feel relief much faster. If it's viral, it might clear up on its own in a few days, but if it's bacterial, it could stick around longer. Chronic sinusitis, which can last 12 weeks or more, is a different story and often needs medical attention. So, how can you tell if you have sinusitis? Let's break down the symptoms. The main symptoms are facial pressure, headaches, and nasal congestion, especially when you wake up. You may have post-nasal drip, where mucus drips down the back of your throat, causing a cough. Reduced sense of smell or taste is another big sign of sinusitis, along with a sore throat or fatigue. Fever can also occur, but it's less common. If you're experiencing these, it's time to act fast. So, what causes this discomfort? Let's look at the main triggers. Most sinus infections start from a cold or respiratory infection that causes the sinuses to swell. Allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander can also trigger sinus inflammation. Other causes include air pollution, secondhand smoke, and even changes in the weather. Nasal polyps or a deviated septum can increase your chances of getting sinus infections. Now that we know the causes, let's dive into how to get rid of it fast. First, stay hydrated. Drinking water thins mucus, making it easier to drain and reduce pressure. Inhale steam by taking a hot shower or using a steam bowl to loosen mucus and clear your sinuses. Use a saline nasal spray or a neti pot to flush out irritants and moisturize your sinuses. Applying a warm compress to your face can relieve pressure and reduce inflammation. Essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint, either inhaled or added to a diffuser, can ease congestion. Now, let's look at other home remedies that speed up your recovery. Rest is key. Lying down with your head elevated helps sinuses drain and eases discomfort. Avoid dairy for a day or two, as it can thicken mucus and make congestion worse. Humidifiers can add moisture to the air, keeping your nasal passages from drying out. Take a hot bath or use essential oils to relax your muscles and open up your sinuses. Gargle with salt water to soothe a sore throat caused by post-nasal drip. Next, if home remedies aren't enough, let's see what over-the-counter treatments can help. Decongestants are great for reducing nasal swelling and opening up your airways fast. Pain relievers like ibuprofen can ease headaches and facial pain caused by sinus pressure. Antihistamines work well if allergies are causing your sinus issues, reducing inflammation. Nasal sprays provide quick relief, but don't use them for more than 3 days straight. If symptoms persist, you may need medical assistance. If your sinus infection doesn't improve after 10 days or gets worse, it's time to see a doctor. They may prescribe antibiotics if they suspect a bacterial infection behind your sinusitis. In some cases, doctors recommend steroid nasal sprays to reduce inflammation more effectively. Chronic sinusitis may even require surgery to fix structural issues causing recurrent infections. Seek help immediately if you have a high fever, severe facial pain, or vision problems. If you're getting frequent sinus infections, it might be a sign of an underlying condition. Recurring sinus infections may require more than just home remedies. Medical advice is crucial. Always prioritize your health and consult a professional when symptoms become unmanageable. That's how you can tackle a sinus infection in 24 hours with the right steps and remedies. Remember to hydrate, use steam, and keep your nasal passages clean for fast relief. If symptoms persist, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips here at My Health Blog Tips.